Are you looking for the best portable hammock? In this video we will look at some of the best portable hammock on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Double Mosquito Net Hammock. The two-person hammock is made of excellent 210T/70D parachute nylon material with triple interlocking stitching, abrasion resistance, fade resistance, tear resistance, stain resistance, quick drying, good breathability and excellent outdoor durability. The anti-knot design enhances the bearing capacity and effectively prevents the hammock from wearing and breaking. The double nesting hammock comes with long tree straps and carabiner hooks. You can easily adjust to the height you want. Very easy to set up. A portable hammock that can be assembled in seconds. With 360-degree air circulation and no pressure from rocks or roots, an outdoor sleeping hammock can provide you with a sleeping experience like never before. The tear-resistant and 3-needle stitching design of the double nest hammock with shoulder straps can provide maximum tensile strength, while the anti-rollover knots at both ends of the outdoor hammock can provide balance, which can prevent the hammock from rolling over and will not wraps around the body with even force to effectively tighten the hammock and keep the portable hammock balanced. Number 2. Single Double Hammock. Single Double Hammock 200 by 150 cm Outdoor Anti-Rollover Canvas Hammock Swing Mesh Wooden Stick Double Thickening. This is an outdoor hammock, convenient to use and easy to install. The quality of the fabric is superior to the materials on the market. Big size can be used by different people, so choose it to help you have a pleasant outdoor time. 3 people available. Afternoon, sunshine, breeze, childhood memories come back. Number 3. XMSJ Hammock Chair. Why-Stop Comfortable Hammock Swing Chair is made of soft polyester, cotton, allowing users to enjoy the comfort of soft sponge, with excellent softness, durability and comfort. So it is a best resting place for adults, children or pets. Safe and strong, the sturdy spreader bar makes the hammock chair more stable. The anti-slip grooves on both sides can effectively prevent the rope from sliding, and the maximum weight is up to 500 pounds. Our outdoor and indoor swing chair has a side pocket. The unique side pocket can hold mobile phones, books, iPads and drinks, which is very convenient and provides you with a good reading space. The stylish hanging chair comes with stainless steel ceiling mount and a stainless steel chain, which can be hung anywhere. You can easily move it anytime, anywhere. Just find a branch, beam or hammock frame, and it's easy install it. Comfortable hanging chair swing provide the best reading place for busy people. You can easily meditate or enjoy the scenery. It is very suitable for use in bedrooms, balconies, courtyards, and gardens. If you need a return, do not remove the tag from the hammock chair. Number 4. Lighten Up Large Two-Person Hammock. Made of 80% cotton resistant and 20% polyester fiber. The high-quality structure ensures that the hammock will not tear or burst during normal use, which is very suitable for couples. This hammock is 200 cm by 150 cm, with enough space for 2 people to relax. Soft, thick cotton can hold 250 kilograms. Its top end is equipped with a ring, which can be easily hung in almost any place you want, and can be moved at will, such as porches, balconies, trees and even indoors. Suitable for all ages and can be used in any indoor or outdoor space. Perfect for bedroom, terrace, porch, beach or wedding decoration. Lightweight and easy to carry, you can enjoy in different occasions and many different locations. It provides high quality comfort and attracts people of all ages. The perfect place is ideal for camping, beach or hiking and other outdoor holidays. Number 5. C8S ET24 Solid Combo Wood Hammock. The eye-catching solid pine stand sets this double cotton hammock stand combo apart from the crowd. It is a natural choice for a rugged design aesthetic or will complement an immaculate, Manicured space. The space-saving 81/2 foot FSC certified pine stand is ideal for your patio, deck or balcony. Made of 100% breathable cotton, this Brazilian-style hammock has a tight weave that gives you superior comfort. This hammock's vegetable-dyed cotton will last for years, especially if you bring it in indoors when not in use or during inclement weather. Easily adjustable hammock hooks allow you to decide how low or high you want to lay. Assembled overall dimensions: 102 inches length x 47 inches width x 41 inches height, 56.4 pounds. Accommodates up to 2 adults. 450 pounds capacity. Assembly required.